Now I'm talking about genital rods. A rod in the moist skin of genitals or around the anus. Genital rods are due to human papilloma virus (HPV). The HPVs, including those that cause genital rods, are transmitted through sexual contact. HPV can also be transmitted from mother to baby during childbirth. Most people infected with HPV have no symptoms, but these viruses increase a woman's risk for cancer of the cervix. HPV infection is the most cause of abnormal PAP smears and precancerous changes of the cervix in women. There is no cure for HPV infection, although antiviral medicines can reduce outbreak and topical preparations can speed healing. Once contracted, the virus can stay with a person for life, also called condyloma acuminatum condylomata. Symptoms of genital rods. There are more than 100 different type of HPV. Most of the time there are no symptoms and the virus clears on its own, but several types can cause genital rods or lead to vaginal, anal, throat and cervical cancer. Treatment of genital rods. The body will be usually clear HPV infection on its own with a couple of months. Rods can be treated in several different ways. Patient can apply cream, gel and solution prescribed by the doctor. Consideration. HPV is extremely common and there is no general test for the virus. Many forms, although there is no cure, the body will usually clear the HPV infection on its own. Genital rods are the most common viral sexually transmitted infection caused by the human papilloma virus (HPV). There are over 100 different types of HPV which can affect different part of the body. Approximately 30 types of HPV can live in and around the genital and anal areas, but most genital rods are caused by just two types of virus, type 6 and 11. Spread. The virus that causes genital rod is easily passed from one person to another through sexual contact. Anyone who is sexually active can get the virus. Symptoms. Genital rods are growth on the skin of the genital area and around the anus. Common genital rod symptoms are flesh colored, soft to touch bumps on the skin that may look like the surface of a cauliflower. They often grow in more than one place and may cluster in large masses. Genital rods usually are painless, but they may itch. Genital rods usually develop 6 weeks to 6 months after infection. They often grow more rapidly during pregnancy or when a person's immune system is weakened. Prevention and treatment of genital rods are: keep the affected area clean. Do not stretch the treated area. Wash your hand after touching the rods. Avoid sexual contact if it is uncomfortable. Apply cold compresses to relieve discomfort, or you may take actino, acetaminophen or ibuprofen. Abstain from sex play that involves skin to skin contact. Stop smoking. Smokers may be more likely to develop genital rods than non-smokers. Genital rods may be removed with surgery or with lasers. In some cases, they are treated with injection of interferon. Get the HPV vaccine. It can protect against the two HPV type that cause 90% of the all cases of genital rods.